Welcome to Weekend Fun Kids Activity.
If you're new to my channel, this is all about having fun with kids over weekend. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Who doesn't like s'mores on a winter evening with color-changing campfire? Sounds fun, right? Town of Scarborough conducted a free event called Bonfire Night, where they had color-changing fire pits, hot cocoa and marshmallow bonfire, ring to play ice hockey and fire truck to touch and explore. The fire chief was explaining the equipments used, parts of fire truck, and kids got a chance to sit inside the truck and explore. If you are wondering how do they make color changing fire, they sprinkle chemical salts like copper chloride for blue flame, lithium chloride for pink flame and so on. Kids were able to make their own s'mores beside warm bonfires. The sticks, marshmallow, crackers and chocolate was provided by the organizers. Kids ended up having sticky fingers with sweet, soft marshmallow which they loved. Children were using ice hockey stick and pucks to skate on frozen pond to test their ice hockey skills under floodlights. It was nice to watch kids getting active on cold winter evenings.